we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. Also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to get re-educated. And then also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Right now, we're getting a little pump, but guys, we know Tuesday night we normally pull back because the repo becomes due. So right now the stock market is up and cryptos are up. Now, since the China banning, Bitcoin is up 50%. And guys, we know this is no coincidence. As the Bitcoin futures is becoming live, we have Bitcoin moving up to over $62,000. Remember, guys, this is all part of the plan. The digital yuan is going to be the world reserve currency backed by that digital SDR. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now we have Scott Miner from Guggenheim says most cryptos are garbage. This is correct. Yes, guys, we know this. We have over 12,000 and counting. And guys, this reminds you of what? That's right, tech. When we got the tech boom. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have the volume, we have Tether, we have USDC, the Fed. We know they've been manipulating on a monthly basis. And then also, guys, Grayscale. Remember, Grayscale is trying to turn that fund over into an ETF. But do not forget right now they're buying up. We know going into CME, they start to sell. So make sure you keep an eye on them. Now we have Binance does the biggest burn, $640 million worth of BNB. And we see Binance quietly holds that number 3 spot. Now we have Facebook, Novitaps, Paxos, and Coinbase ahead of Diem rollout. And remember, guys, Facebook Diem has been working behind the curtain just like Bitcoin Lightning. And I've said it time and time again, Facebook, Instagram, all these platforms are set up for a reason to move us into this digital world. Some of you understand, some of you don't. But this was planned out a long time ago. Now we have Russia aims to replace the US dollar reserves with digital assets in long term. And guys, we already know Russia is moving away from the dollar, China. We know this whole Belt and Road is, just like I stated, part of the plan. Now we have back shares more than 6% on first day of public trading. So guys, do not forget, back is publicly traded. Not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Now we have Wearable introduces zero-cost NFT minting feature. So that means it's going to be off-chain as soon as you upload it. Now we have blockchain brings the sharing economy to real estate investing. And guys, we know real estate is going to be tokenized, put on blockchain, And it's rare that you're going to have one person owning a property that's going to have a percentage of that piece of property, which is going to make funding a whole lot easier. Now we have Interactive Brokers launch crypto trading in the U.S. for 4 tokens, and that's going to be BTC, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Also, they're providing custody, and this is for clients using the Paxos Trust Company. Now we have Revolut is launching commission-free crypto trading for U.S. investors. Also, guys, we have Tokens.com acquires 50% stake in virtual real estate firm Metaverse Group. Now we have Ghana to explore offline transactions for upcoming CBDC, and we already know that digital yuan can be used offline. And we also have French Central Bank pilot blockchain-based CBDC for debt market. And lastly, guys, we have the U.S. Treasury says it must modernize and adapt to the digital currencies. And guys, we know this is all part of the plan. We know Janet Yellen is the chess piece for the Federal Reserve, the New World Order. We know that the digital economy is going to replace what we have currently. Unfortunately, the masses are asleep. Remember, the New World Order works off problem, reaction, solution. They've already created the problem. Now they're waiting for the reaction because the people are out of work. The free money has ran out. Those people don't want to go back to work. And inflation is eating the dollar. And like my New World Order book says, that cryptocurrencies are the solution. I wrote this book a long time ago. Now, part of Babylon is sports betting. We have DraftKings steps further into crypto with plans to bring in Polygon Validator. Gamification, gaming, gambling. It's all part of the New World Order plan because I know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. We have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get their own stocks to see where the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids' books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.